Hey everyone, and welcome to Health Prudent. We are back with another interesting and quite an important topic for you. Today, we're talking about how drinking apple cider vinegar before bedtime will change your life. Before we get into the video, please be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it when we upload new videos. And make sure to watch until the end to discover in detail why you should drink apple cider vinegar every night before you go to bed and see incredible changes in your life. Without further delay, let's jump into the video. You have probably heard a lot about the health benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar, right? Apple cider vinegar is made from apples or cider and is used in several recipes as well as natural home products for its incredible health benefits. You probably have a bottle of this vinegar at your home, right? Although many people believe it comes with a wide range of health benefits, you might want to know what researchers have discovered. In this video, we will be telling you 10 different health benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar. Let's check them out. Number 1. Diabetes. Apple cider vinegar is beneficial for patients with type 2 diabetes since it can regulate the healthy levels of blood sugar in your body. Actually, unfiltered apple cider vinegar contains a substance called mother, regulating the healthy blood sugar levels in your body. Furthermore, this substance also helps to lower the sugar levels in your blood. It interferes with carb digestion and even slows down the absorption of sugar in your blood. Moreover, researchers have discovered that it can lower glucose levels as well. Taking 2 teaspoons of this vinegar before going to bed will help you prevent sugar spikes. Number 2. Heart health. Apple cider vinegar is helpful in maintaining a healthy heart, and it can reduce the pressure of blood in your body as well as bad cholesterol. The high acetic acid content in this vinegar can also help you increase the good cholesterol in your body, which will ultimately help you maintain a healthy heart. Number 3. Reduce weight. You might have seen people using it to reduce weight. So, is it true that drinking this vinegar will lead to weight loss? Actually, there is evidence that using it for this purpose actually works. Japanese researchers conducted a study that found that individuals who drink vinegar lost more weight as compared to those who did not drink this vinegar. Isn't it shocking? However, you must keep in mind that adding vinegar in your diet may contribute to weight loss, but for long-term results, you will have to make a broader diet and lifestyle changes. Number 4. Boost skin health. Drinking apple cider vinegar can help you boost your skin health, and people usually use it for conditions such as dry skin. The nutrient-rich properties of apple cider vinegar improve your skin health. Moreover, the antibacterial properties of apple cider vinegar can also help prevent infections such as eczema. You can also use diluted apple cider vinegar in a face wash to kill bacteria. That applying diluted apple cider vinegar can also help with acne. Number 5. Improves hair health. It improves hair health. Did you know that apple cider vinegar is a common ingredient used in natural shampoos? Shocked, right? Actually, the acetic acid content in it helps to lower pH level, and there is evidence that lower pH is beneficial for hair health. Overall, it will help to clarify as well as balance your hair, since it can also help to fight off bacteria in your hair. Number 6. Detoxifies liver. It detoxifies your liver as well, which will improve the overall health of your body. Furthermore, drinking apple cider vinegar can help build a healthy lymphatic system. Ultimately, lymph circulation in your body will be improved. Number 7. Prevents bad breath. The antibacterial properties of this vinegar also help to prevent bad breath. The bacteria in your mouth are likely the reason for your bad breath, and swirling some apple cider vinegar in your mouth before bedtime every day will help you prevent bad breath. Number 8. Stronger bones. Drinking apple cider vinegar also helps to prevent bones from becoming brittle. You will be shocked to know that osteoporosis is a major skeletal disorder among women. If you want to prevent yourself from osteoporosis, you might want to add apple cider vinegar into your daily diet. This vinegar helps your bones to properly absorb the required calcium, which eventually makes your bones stronger. Including apple cider vinegar in your meals is undoubtedly a great idea, right? Number 9. Soothes sore throat. Do you have a sore throat? Well, if you want immediate relief, try gargling a diluted solution of this vinegar. You might be thinking about how it can help to soothe a sore throat. Actually, the antiviral as well as antibacterial properties of apple cider vinegar allow it to soothe a sore throat. Number 10. Slow down aging. Some studies found that the antioxidant properties of apple cider vinegar might also help slow down aging. Isn't it surprising? It helps to maintain the stability of acid-base balance in a human body, which eventually slows down the aging process. Try using this vinegar as a tonic to your face. Consuming apple cider vinegar indeed has some health benefits, but you must keep in mind that you should not consume it in excess. For instance, this vinegar can erode tooth enamel, or it can upset your stomach. We suggest you consult a professional healthcare provider before changing your diet routine. If you are struggling to keep up with your beauty or simply love looking after your health, please watch our other video, 10 Surprising Beauty Benefits of Apple Cider Vinegar. In that video, we reveal how surprisingly apple cider vinegar contributes to your beauty routine as well. Thanks for watching the video. Hope this helps you a ton. Please do not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss more videos of health, wellness, homemade remedies, and much more. And I will see you soon with another interesting and quite an important topic for you. Till then, stay healthier.